There are exactly 6 hacks that will determine whether your Fiverr freelance profile becomes a success or gets lost on page 20 with all the other forgotten profiles. And in this video, I'm going to show you what each of them are and how implementing them will increase the amount of orders you get. Because the truth is, if you're a Fiverr freelancer and you've clicked on this video, then what I'm about to teach you is something that you need to hear. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your freelancing business on Fiverr, these simple changes will make a massive difference in how clients perceive you and, more importantly, how many orders you get. Now, your thumbnail is the first thing potential clients see when scrolling through Fiverr, hence why I've put it in the #1 position. It's essentially what makes the first impression. And think of your thumbnail as your shop window. If it doesn't catch the eye, potential clients will just scroll right past you. So, how do you overcome this? Well, first, high quality visuals make you look professional. If you're still rocking a blurry or poorly designed thumbnail, it's definitely not going to give clients a sense that you're serious about your work. And when there are thousands of thumbnail designers on Fiverr, starting from as low as $5, you really have no excuse. A simple, clear, high quality image can communicate that you're a pro who takes pride in your work. And if you're a graphic designer, for example, showing a snippet of your best design right in the thumbnail can make all the difference. Now, a common mistake I often see is freelancers using stock images or overly complex graphics with a ton of writing in their thumbnails. These can tend to look generic and, well, unoriginal. And if you're a video editor, a thumbnail of a random stock image isn't going to show off your actual skills. Instead, use something that's going to grab the attention of a client, or a clean professional headshot with a clear visual representation of your work. Also, using faces actually increases click-through rates. So if you can show a friendly, approachable face, then you're more likely to get clicked on. Plus, you're a freelancer, and I've said this multiple times before, you're not a corporate company. Therefore, letting the client see who you are will sell you more than a generic graphic you stole from Canva. And studies actually show that thumbnails with faces get up to 38% more clicks, so this one is, well, a no-brainer. Alright, let's talk about when a client actually clicks on your gig. The next thing they'll see is your video intro, or gig video, whatever you want to call it. Fiverr allows you to upload a video no longer than 1 minute 15 seconds long, and let me tell you, this is an absolute game changer. According to Fiverr, profiles with a video receive 220% more orders than those without. But here's the kicker. It's not just about having a video, it's about how you use it. And here's what I mean by that. A video allows you to present yourself and let clients get a feel for who you are before they make a decision. Because let's face it, people buy from people they like and trust. And a well done video will humanize you and make you seem more trustworthy. Now, I've seen a lot of freelancers mess up here, and generally, very often, they go to the effort of uploading a video, but from a client's point of view, it tells you absolutely nothing. Just keep your intro authentic, relaxed and confident. Speak directly to the camera and show why you're the right person for the job. Clients aren't going to expect some polished video presentation, especially if you offer services such as copywriting, which has absolutely nothing to do with video. Plus, a video can serve as another great way to show your skills off. If you're a designer, for example, show your design process or a before and after transformation. If you're a voice actor, speak a few lines so clients can hear your tone and versatility. This feature gives you 1 minute 15 seconds to not just tell them what you do, but to show them. Alright, next up is your description. A strong description is not just one of the best ways to showcase your skills and expertise, but to sell them on it too. And unfortunately, it's also one of the most commonly messed up parts of a Fiverr profile. Here's why. Clients will read your description to decide whether you're the right fit for their needs. So, you need to be clear about what services you offer, and more importantly, you need to highlight the benefits of choosing your services. Don't just say, I design logos. Instead, say, I create logos that reflect your brand's personality and make your business stand out from the competition. Just by doing this, it creates impact and paints a picture for the client as to what exactly you're going to be doing for them. Now, a big mistake that I see is being too vague in the description. Phrases like, I provide good quality work, or I can do anything, don't help potential clients understand your exact services or what you can do for them. Also, Fiverr search algorithm ranks profiles based on specific keywords. So make sure to use some relevant keywords throughout your description. For instance, if you're a logo designer, keywords like minimalistic logo, vintage logo, or modern branding will help you appear in search results when clients look for those specific styles. All right, this one takes a little more effort. It's your portfolio. As you should already know, a portfolio is proof. It's a great sales tool and a time saver as well. It's where potential clients can see exactly what they'll get if they hire you. Now, when clients see your portfolio, they're looking for one thing: quality. They want to know that you can deliver the level of work they need, and your portfolio should be filled with only your best and most relevant work. And then you should position it. Now, I'd always recommend adding the URL link to your portfolio in your gig descriptions, which is completely allowed by Fiverr, so it's okay. And I know some of you might be saying, well, Fiverr do have a portfolio option. Yes, they do. But honestly, I don't trust it, and I don't think it's that good. You'll always make a bigger impact if you can direct clients to an external portfolio. Also, if you specialize in a certain area, for example, logo design, showing multiple styles and variations of what you can do, for example, vintage, modern, or minimalistic, can attract a broader range of clients. It also shows that you're capable of more than just the one thing. All right, packages. Fiverr gives you 3 package options: basic, standard, and premium. This gives you the opportunity to offer different levels of service, and trust me, getting this right can dramatically boost your sales. And here's why. Offering multiple packages helps you cater to clients with different needs and budgets. A basic package might appeal to a small business on a budget, while your premium package could attract larger businesses who have bigger budgets. Some freelancers make the mistake of having one generic package with no clear differentiation between tiers. Now, if you only offer one package, clients may not see what's in it for them. Whereas having tiered options with clear differences gives them more flexibility and can drive more sales. Also, in your packages, make sure each level of service has specific deliverables. Basic package, for example, 1 logo concept with 2 revisions. Standard package, 2 logo concepts and 3 revisions with color options. Now, this sets clear expectations for the client and minimizes confusion. The goal with your packages is to be easily understandable without the client needing to contact you for clarification. Okay, we're down to the last hack that I want to talk about, and this is something that I'm currently implementing more as we speak. Now, while many freelancers focus only on the main profile and portfolio, supporting documents like FAQs, terms of services, optional extras, and testimonials can actually set you apart from the competition. For example, an FAQ document that you can add to your gig via a PDF can save you time by answering common questions before the client even asks. For example, you can address things like turnaround times, revision policies, or your work process. This shows that you're organized and professional. Now, I see many freelancers who don't have any supporting documents, or worse, they're constantly answering the same questions from clients. So creating an FAQ document can eliminate this repetitive task and show clients that you're on top of things. Now, if you have a case study or client testimonials, upload them as supporting documents as well. Social proof is powerful, and showing how your work has helped others gives clients confidence in your ability. So there you have it. 6 essential elements that will transform your Fiverr profile into a client magnet. Now, if you're implementing these strategies, you'll not just be setting yourself up for success on Fiverr, but you'll be setting yourself apart from everyone else. And if you haven't yet, then don't forget to go check out my last video on the 4 places you can find high paying freelance clients.